IPL 4 के मैदान में इस बार नए अंदाज में उतरे हैं राजस्थान रॉयल्स। HDFC स्टैंडर्ड लाइफ और राजस्थान रॉयल्स की एसोसिएशन IPL के पहले सीजन से IPL सीजन 4 तक और मजबूत हो गई है और उन्होंने अपनी सर उठा के जियो की पॉलिसी को इस बार एक नए अंदाज में आगे बढ़ाया है, जहां एक तरफ है राहुल द्रविड़, रॉस टेलर और शेन वॉर्न जैसे माने हुए खिलाड़ी, वहीं नए टैलेंट को भी राजस्थान रॉयल्स दे रहा है बढ़ावा। जहां ओल्ड प्लेयर्स इस टीम में लेकर आए हैं अपने साथ बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस, वहीं नए प्लेयर्स में होता है कुछ अलग कर दिखाने का जुनून।
IPL is a great platform to showcase our talent and be recognized.
It's a matter to pride to be in the same team with such iconic players like Shane Warne,
Rahul Dravid, Shane Watson, Ross Taylor, even
Sean Tate, इतने great players के साथ मुझे खेल के बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है।
ये सारे इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स हैं, उनसे काफ़ी कुछ सीखने मिलेगा।
A great learning opportunity for entrants like us, give immense boost
to our confidence in turn, build greater self-respect.
The IPL is an ideal platform for these young players to learn from some of the senior players. I think you've got a great blend of youth and experience in our team. It's a great opportunity for some of these youngsters to be able to rub shoulders with some of the true legends of the game, a lot of international players. So there's a lot of learning that takes place, on the cricket field, off the cricket field, that some of these youngsters can look forward to. I think this young talent, represents, I guess, the future of Indian cricket. I think at the RR we're looking to develop some of this young talent, which will form the base not only of the RR team, but also, we hope that some of these youngsters will go on to represent India. That's finally the ultimate goal or the aim for any young cricketer, and I'm sure that's the goal of RR as well.
With the leadership of legendary Shane Warne and ever dependable Rahul Dravid, this new squad has got a lot of local talent like Pankaj Singh, Deepak Chahar, Ashok Meneria, and we have got a lot of experienced players like Ash Chopra, Abhishek Raut. So the team this year is a heady mix of youth, experience, emerging talent, innovation and professionalism.
The young bunch of talented cricketers ready to do whatever it takes to reach the winning mark. Enthusiasm, ready to take risks, display immense confidence and sometimes give strong competition to those highly experienced players.
राजस्थान रॉयल्स की स्पिरिट को ध्यान में रखते हुए टीम का फोकस है सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट और प्राइड, और इसी विनिंग एटीट्यूड से वो IPL सीजन 4 के हर मैच को खेलना चाहते हैं। हर प्लेयर चाहता है कि वो IPL सीजन 4 में खुद को प्रूव करे और अपने सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट और प्राइड के लिए खेले। आखिर सर उठा के जीना ही तो जीने का सही अंदाज है।
HDFC Live this year looks much more youthful, much more fresh. This perfectly fits in with the Rajasthan Royal brand this year because Rajasthan Royal team looks like IPL 1, mixed up experienced player, mixed up youth, and they play for self-respect, which is our tagline, Sar Utha Ke Jiyo. And secondly, the youthfulness of our new logo and youthfulness of Rajasthan Royal goes very well for our new target segment, which is youth, which we are trying to target with our new identity. And what we are calling self-respect this year is Sar Utha Ke Jeene Ka Naya Andaz. This is what HDFC Live symbolizes. This is what HDFC Live speaks. The senior international and Indian talent represent the solid experience and foundation of HDFC, and the new talent symbolizes the new face of bold, confident, contemporary, youthful HDFC Live.
Well, we are extremely ecstatic about HDFC Live's partnership with the Royals, and we are also extremely happy that this is the third consecutive year that they are actually backing us with their logo on the back of our jerseys.
The renewal of our relationship with HDFC Life, who've been with us along our journey so far, and here we are at a new beginning, new players, some of the old superstars are back, and we have a thoroughly exciting season ahead of us.
I think a lot of these youngsters have the talent and the self-confidence. I think, more importantly, they have the self-belief as well. I think the IPL will, help them prepare them for international level. Because it's a great tournament. I mean, some of these young players get to play in front of big crowds. They get to experience somewhat a similar pressure that some of the international players will go through, or they will go through when they go onto the international stage, and they'll be ready for it. So I think it sort of instills a lot of confidence and belief in some of these young players, and it also instills, I think, some of the respects of the game I think they get to learn so much from some of the senior players. So I think it's a great platform and a great opportunity. And I hope that some of these youngsters will grab these opportunities, and in the future we'll see some of them play for India.
We play for one thing and one thing only, our pride.
राजस्थान रॉयल्स की टीम को है पूरा यकीन कि ओल्ड और फ्रेश टैलेंट का मिक्स बैग और सही एटीट्यूड दिलाएगा इस टीम को IPL सीजन 4 में कामयाबी। और इस बार भी राजस्थान रॉयल्स कायम करेंगे क्रिकेट के इस महायुद्ध में अपनी एक अलग मिसाल। आखिर ओल्ड और न्यू का ये नया मिक्स ही बनेगा सर उठा के जीने का नया अंदाज।
I think there's a great scope for some of these young players, to get into the Indian team because obviously, over the next few years, a lot of players are going to move on. And it's a great opportunity, for some of these young kids to be able to showcase their talent and build a great bench strength for the Indian team because, as we've seen in this World Cup, how important bench strength can be.
At Rajasthan Royals, every time I play, I feel the same passion. Every challenge I face, I play better. I'm proud to be associated with a bunch of talented cricketers who are determined to perform. Here we have always held our heads high. I'm extremely proud to be part of the Rajasthan Royals.
Sir उठा के जियो।
सर 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 उठा के जियो।